You installed a video doorbell over the weekend. Monday arrives and you get a notification that your package is due to arrive that day. When you come back home, you don't see a package, so you go to check your footage, and when you check the footage, you notice that the microSD has been corrupted. Great! Not to worry, we'll make sure it doesn't happen again. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, my name's Trisha and you are watching DIY in 5, the show where we make tech simple enough that you can do it yourself in 5 minutes or less. Today, we are going to help you choose microSD cards for home security cameras and dash cams, so that your packages, visitors, and hopefully fairly tame road rage incidents never get interrupted again. Unfortunately, memory cards can fail. They fail in drones, smartphones, GoPros, dash cams, and mirrorless cameras. It's important to understand that they fail everywhere, and it always seems to happen at the worst times. Can you imagine being the photographer that has to go tell a bride and groom that you failed to capture their nuptials because of a corrupted memory card? Yikes. Or would you want to be the customer support rep that calls a homeowner to tell them that their home break-in was not recorded because of an issue with their cloud server? I can speculate what your answer would be, but I will share with you my answer. Correct. My answer is no. Here's where it's important to point out that not all memory is created equally. In other words, memory cards differ in reliability over time. Although dash cams and home security cameras like video doorbells capture radically different footage, they have something else in common besides the camera. Their footage is recorded 24/7, and some consumer drives are simply not made for this. So we first have to ensure that the drive is tested and rated for this kind of long-term usage. A high-endurance card designed especially for heavy use and write-intensive applications is critical in video doorbells and dash cam usage. Over time, a dash cam will write and rewrite hundreds if not thousands of times. Dash cams generally shoot 30 to 60 frames per second. The 60 FPS provides a smoother, higher quality image, but also takes twice the storage space. 30 FPS video produces good quality, just not as smooth, so make sure you pick a card that supports higher frame rates and has the correct amount of storage. The main thing to remember when purchasing a memory card for your dashcam is that high-endurance cards are necessary when compared to general-purpose cards. Also, try to find one that comes with a warranty since it could wear out over time. A memory card with the right performance and capacity can help dashcams run for a longer period. It's worth investing in quality, reliable memory cards for your dashcam to ensure that you get high-quality footage with your dashcam at the time or place that you need it the most. If you're looking for a card, the Kingston High Endurance series of SD cards are made specifically for scenarios such as dashcams and doorbells. When shopping for SD cards, it's important to be wary of counterfeit cards, where the specs on the site all look perfect, but in actuality, you aren't getting what you paid for. Read reviews to check their performance against their claims. You can even test your SD card with an SD card read-write speed test program when your drive arrives. Most counterfeit drives are slow and poor quality and won't meet the advertised read-write speeds. If they don't, contact the seller and advise them of the situation, then initiate a return. Let's recap. For dash cams and home security cameras to work their best reliably, you'll want a high-endurance card designed especially for heavy use and write-intensive applications. High-endurance cards are engineered for this, and for use in harsh conditions such as leaving your car parked on the street in the dead of winter or in crazy heat during the summer. Some are durable enough to protect themselves from extreme temperatures, shock, and water too. At the very least, we want a card that will have footage when you need it. If you keep losing packages and always have corrupt footage, this is no good. We research and spend lots of money to get the perfect device. We just need to be sure to match the correct card to the task at hand. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, ding that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future tech tips. Again, my name is Trisha and you've been watching DIY in 5.